So as a part of the like reports, there are reports which is related to the sales and the inventory. Okay. So in this particular reports, you can see the sale report. So sale report can be seen in two ways. One is that detailed report and summary report as well. Okay. So this can be this is the summary report. You can see here the date and quantity. You can give a date range as well, and you can see that refresh here, and based upon that the detail or summary report you can see here. So what are the quantity have been like on sold as a discounted quantity, fresh quantity, and as a exchange as well. So these summary of the quantity you can see here, and based upon that also you will be able to see the detailed report, which is based upon the transaction. So whatever the transaction for this particular customer, like along with the customer detail, you will be able to see, and which was the sales person and what is the receipt detail and the customer numbers also. Along with that, you will be able to see the itemized report. So this is the detailed report, exactly customer which customer having like purchased, against which receipt, what are the items into that. So this way the sales report are available, because in the indirect license there are definitely we required such reports uh, directly. And there are like few like open orders or open quotations. These reports are also available, like whatever the orders which are supposed to be delivered, which you can consider as the sales orders. So those sales order can be copied to delivery directly. So that functionality of the open orders definitely whatever the sales order of the SAP B1, which are the standard sales order which are created in the system. So that can be like open here. This is open report actually of the orders, and can be copied and for the delivery purpose. Next will be like there will be the quotation, similar kind of the report is there. There is a return report available. Whatever the goods have been returned or exchanged by the customers, will be able to see here. And in terms of the like this is the detailed report actually. What has been exchanged and what has been returned. So whatever the exchange we have been done and what is the return. In any case, I am going to there as well for the sales return and cash return to the payment. And next will be that the stock report are also available. These are the reports you can see, and there can be a error also at the time of posting. So that report also is available if any entry is not posted in the so in the standard doc as a standard document of the B1, like payment information is not posted and invoice is not posted. So that is why we can post this particular documents from here. And as a part of the report, you will be able to see a stock report here. So in stock report, like default store, this is my default store. That is why I am able to see my inventory of the warehouse here. So you can see the warehouses here, and in a similar manner also, there is a report created for the stock by warehouse report. So in this particular report, we will be able to see the report by warehouses are in a columnar manner. So this can be, we can see here. Next report is that stock report. You can see the inventory movement report and stock not displayed report. That means which there can be a two warehouses. One is front warehouse and another is the back warehouse, which is not on the display. So that is why this report you can see here. So based upon the warehouse selection, you will be able to see the stock report, which is not as a display. Important the transaction which supposed to we see here other than the records is the credit memo. Whatever the sale we have been created here, okay. So this products we have already sold, and definitely this is the receipt number which has been printed as a barcode. Now, customer want to return these goods even after buying these products. So that can be returned. Okay, you can pick any of the receipt here, and you can take a return from the customer. If customer want to return back this particular receipt as well, so you can copy this receipt, because I'm just copying, because when customer is returning, definitely one of the invoice of the customer is required. If customer don't have the invoice, you can see the history of the customer by clicking here as well. Okay, so when you want to find it out something, exactly which item customer has been purchased at when, so that information can be seen here. Next it will be when customer want to return these two particular products. So definitely we require a receipt number, and we can go into the credit memo menu, and in that we have to scan receipt. In a similar manner, when we are doing the exchange, we have to scan the receipt first, and you can see tab here. As and when we are we press tab, whatever the document in the sale we have been done, you can see here. And to take a return it back, you can just scan one of the item here. Okay, so and what is the reason for that? We can say that this product is damaged or something else, and you can accept one of the product return, or both product can be returned by the customer, and you can see checkout here. In this particular document, system will create the uh, you know the credit memo for this particular document. This will be the credit memo which is created here, and it that's supposed to be open amount which supposed to be like returned to a customer. Customer don't buy any want to buy anything else as a in an exchange. So customer can ask for the payment as well. So for the payment, there is the option available cash payment. So when you click here, so that point of time it will ask you for the OTP validation. So you can say that send OTP on the mobile number of the customer. The OTP will get sent. Put that 3519 the OTP, and return back this particular cash to a customer. As and when you provide this, you can see the applied amount. Also, you can see the that particular credit memo which were created. Now the open balance amount is zero, and the outgoing payment is created here for this particular document. And now you can see the journal entry of this cash has been paid from the store, so to this particular customer. So this way you can like return the cash to a customer as well. And sometime one thing need to be like in any case customer have purchased something else, so customer also purchase this one, and customer want to redeem this credit memo, because customer came and customer said that uh, I want to return something, and I will come again, and I will uh, you can say that this particular product I am returning back of rupees 524, and you can say that okay, I am accepting that particular product at store, and customer can say that give me a credit note for this. Okay, we can say okay, you can redeem this credit note for the next purchase. So when customer will come next time for the like for the purchase at store, so that time customer can redeem that particular credit memo here, or like credit note here. So how can it be redeemed is customer suppose buy these two products, okay, and say this is the next new purchase which customer is doing, and customer want to redeem the credit memo here. So when checking out from here, there is a one like credit note redemption option available. In that particular credit memo number can be, or like receipt number can be entered. So based upon that, you can see the credit memo amount is coming here. Based upon that, the credit memo will get adjusted here, and rest of the amount customer can pay as an exchange of the credit note. And uh, okay, so this way the the payment and can be adjusted at the time of the purchase as well, like credit memo can be adjusted in payment.